Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to delete or restore a document on Canva, the web application, using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Canva. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to canva.com. Search for this, click on the first web link we see on screen. Once that is loaded, let's make sure that we are signed into the account. Now, in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to the user how to create the very basic document through Canva. So now, if I were to, let's just say, scroll down, we have recent designs which we can click on and rework these designs to improve our work. Or in this tutorial, we are looking to delete or restore if we have by mistake deleted a recent design as part of documents on Canva. So untitled design, let's click on the three dots on top, move to trash, that's gone. Let's do the same thing with recent designs, Computer Science Videos doc, move to trash, that's gone. And now let's just say we want to recover that deleted document we require. Go to the bottom left corner of the screen where we have trash. Now go back to the document we are looking to restore. Three dots, restore. This has now moved back to our projects. If I were to, let's just say, click on home, there we have it. Go to projects, and there we have Computer Science Videos doc as part of documents within Canva. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.